Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly check to see if your charger for your mobility device is bad. You could do this at home. Save yourself. Call on the tech out and just order the part yourself. All you're really going to need for this test is a cheap little multimeter. I got this thing at Harbor Freight for $5. Nowadays, with inflation, it's probably closer to 7 or 10. But you could get a cheap one and get it done. And you get an expensive one. What we're going to do here is we're going to put our multimeter into the charging port. So the multimeter is going into the charging port. The two outside holes doesn't matter which one. We got a voltage of 25.3 on the multimeter. Now we're going to plug this in. The battery charger has now lit up. It's lit up okay. And the voltage has went up on the batteries. So we know that when we plug in the charger, we're getting more voltage to the battery. Thus, the charger is working. If the charger was not working, the voltage would not have went up. So we plug in the charger, we see the voltage is going up. You pretty much know the charger is good. Now, if you have a scooter that does not have a removable battery pack, you can still do this. I'm going to remove this. Explain it a little better. Now, if this is like a bigger scooter, power chair, and this doesn't come out, you can remove the shroud, remove the cover, and expose the batteries. While you're charging the scooter, you're going to put the multimeter to the batteries. That'll tell you if they are, if the charger is good. Now, this is a very good time to add that we offer lithium battery upgrades for pretty much every scooter and power chair. And if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, we're giving away an upgrade set soon. So you get the 2 upgraded lithium batteries and the charger that goes with it. Also, you can visit mobilitydirect.com and request a free mobility catalog. Be sent to your home. Here we have a Pride Mobility Go chair. This is a power chair that you could disassemble, easy for travel. We are going to put our multimeter. And we're going to put the multimeter down here. It would be easier to put the multimeter down here on the battery. All right, so starting voltage, you see this thing needs a charge 24/6 on the multimeter. We are going to plug this in. And let's see if I can get this right here as I plug it in. Hopefully you can see it. I plugged it in and it's instantly going up by a point every few seconds. This charger is working. We can see the voltage is going up once we plugged it in. Now, again, if you have the power chair that does not have a removable pack, or a pack that you can plug it into the batteries, what you have to do this test is you got to remove the battery shroud. Exposed batteries. You can put the multimeter to the batteries, and then you can put the charger right in here in the end of the joystick. We've had a lot of questions about this, so we hope that you found this video informative. I hope that it, helps somebody who has a question, has their chargers bad. Again, you really only need a cheap multimeter. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.